Hi friends, so today I am going to introduce famous English language trainer Mr. Ritik sir, and I will ask him some question how to improve our English communication. So I would like to invite Mr. Ritik sir. Please welcome sir, and yes sir, please welcome. Yes sir, how are you sir?
I'm very well. How about you?
Please have a seat sir.
Thank you.
Yes sir.
And thanks for inviting me.
And thank you so much sir, also came here. And how is your journey sir?
Yes, my journey is very well, and I'm doing very well.
ओके सर, विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम सर, कुछ स्टूडेंट के जो हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, और मुझे लगता है ऑडियंस के भी कुछ क्वेश्चन होगा जो इससे रिलेटेड, वो भी ज़रूर पूछना चाहेंगे. लाइक सम क्वेश्चन है सर. आई हाँ, सो सर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन. मुझे लगता है ऑडियंस के भी ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर होगा, और हमारे स्टूडेंट के भी ये क्वेश्चन रहता है कि वो इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव कैसे करें. जैसे एज आई नो कि आप बहुत अच्छे इंग्लिश स्पीकर भी रह चुके हैं, आप कमेंट्री भी किए हैं, और लाइक आपके काफ़ी मैंने नाम सुना है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो हाउ टू इम्प्रूव आवर इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशंस. So
It's
please
a nice
suggest.
question. Most of the students and most of the speaker who want to learn English, they want to know how to enhance their communication skill. So I would like to suggest those people who want to develop their communication skill. So at first, I would like to say you, if you wanna develop any language like English or any language, so English is your language. And my dear friends, we have been learning English since our childhood, but that time we learned English as a subject, because that time we have to appear at the examination and we had to get good marks. But now we are not school going students. Now why we are learning English? We are learning English for the communication purpose, so that if you go anywhere for the interview, so we can crack the interview. Because nowadays we are learning English for our career growth.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to develop any language, so you have to practice more and more.
Okay.
The more you practice, the more you improve. Because it is said that practice makes the man perfect.
Yes,
So
sir.
practice is very important.
Okay, thank you, sir. And sir, I would like to ask a second question. So, सर, प्रोनाउंसिएशन ये कैसे हम इम्प्रूव करें? जो सर स्टेट लाइक हरियाणा, बिहार, यूपी, वहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, वो तो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, बट उनका जो मदर टंग्स वो आ जाता है, वो कैसे हम इम्प्रूव करें?
Okay, this is also a very good question, because there is a general question among the students. Sir, I am from Bihar, I am from UP, I am from Haryana. Okay, so whenever they speak English, their regional accent come, their regional tone come, because they have spoken a lot of their regional language, whatever their regional languages are. And we know very well every language has its own way of speaking. Okay, we speak Hindi, its own way of speaking. We speak English, its own way of speaking. So if you wanna improve your pronunciation, so you have to listen more and more native speaker, because we know friends, English is not our native language. So if you want to speak more naturally, until you can't emotionally attach with the language, you can't improve your pronunciation. So I will suggest those who want to improve, those who want to enhance their accent, their pronunciation, they should listen more and more native speaker and try to copy them, how they are speaking, how their expressions are, how their accent are, and you know the right pronunciation.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine, sir. And I think audience and our students also definitely it will implement their communications. And sir, I would like to ask a third question. Sir, reading, writing, हमें स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश और लिसनिंग के कैसे हम इम्प्रूव करें?
Okay, okay. As you know, English has four pillars: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Every has its own importance. If you talk about why we read English or any language, okay, if you read English, and I'm gonna suggest you, if you read English and if you wanna improve your communication skill, reading is also very important to improve your communication. If you ask why, sir, why reading is important for the communication? So when you read aloud in a loud voice, and when you read, okay, English, you can read a newspaper, you can read a magazine, you can read a storybook. So you read aloud, so that whenever you read, you gain fluency. Okay. And you also get new vocabularies. And if you reading a newspaper, you also aware what is happening around us. So reading is also very important. We know many article that we read many articles, we can read many articles what is in the newspaper, so that we can, okay, get into the habit of reading newspaper.
Okay, sir.
And if you talk about the why should we listen, it is said that a good listener can be a good speaker. So try to listen more and more. Okay. And if you talk about the writing, why should we write? If you write any language, you go very close to the language, because when you write anything, okay, you think first, and then ideas generate in your mind, then you start writing. So when you write, you think first, idea generate in your mind, then you start writing. So it will also improve your communication skill by writing also, because thoughts are generating. Because suppose you have to write any topic like woman empowerment, if you don't have knowledge about the topic, how can you write? So you think first, then you write. So writing also important.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine, sir. And sir, what about manners? Like,
Okay.
Yes, sir. And manners क्या रोल प्ले करता है और स्पीकिंग लाइक कम्युनिकेशंस में?
Okay, okay. If you talk about the manners, so manners come under basic etiquettes. In basic etiquettes, we learn manners, okay, meeting and greeting. Suppose you meet any unknown person. If you don't know how to communicate with that person, how to talk with that person, okay, how to behave with the good, how to behave with that person. So how can you start your communication? So etiquettes are very important, because it is said that first impression is last impression. If your first impression is not good, your behavior is not good.
Yes.
Okay. So how can you start communication? So starting communication, for the effective communication, basic etiquettes is very important.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. And sir, I want to ask you second last question. लाइक प्रेजेंटेशन के इंग्लिश में क्या रोल है, और ये हमें ग्रुप प्रेजेंटेशन के इंग्लिश में क्या रोल है, और ये कैसे हम और इफ़ेक्टिव तरीके से इसे यूज कर सकते हैं, और कैसे अपने डेली एक्टिविटी में इसे यूज कर सकते हैं?
ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल, या प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज सपोज, ओके, I say you have to speak alone. You are able to speak alone. Okay, but if I say you have to speak in front of the public, you have to speak in front of the, okay, class. You have hesitation.
Yes, sir.
You have fear. So presentation plays a very important role to build your confidence.
Yes, sir.
That time you have to speak in front of the public. You have to speak in front of the class. So that time, because if you go anywhere for the job, your boss, okay, your boss tell you to prepare any program, and you have prepared your program, you have prepared your notes. So how can you represent if you don't know, if you don't have the capacity to represent that any project? So for the representing any project, presentation is very important. In presentation, okay, we remove our fear, we overcome our fear, and we build confidence. And when you develop your confidence, you are able to speak in front of the public. You don't have any problem, okay, in front of the public. You are speaking English very well.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. And what about group discussion, और ये क्यों जरूरी है?
Okay. Group discussion is also very important. In group discussion, there are many members, like 6 to 10 members. In group discussion, we choose a topic, and we each and every person have to speak at least 4 to 5 lines about the topic. And in group discussion is very important for those students. Suppose in a group there are 10 members, and 4 are very good speaker and 6 are not very good speaker, so they can also learn their ideas, what are their ideas are. Okay, because in the group discussion everyone has to speak, and we get a final conclusion, what's their benefits is, what's their demerits is, so we come on a proper result, proper final results. So group discussion is very important to know any topic about, and for the group discussion we also improve our communication skill, because in the group discussion everyone has to speak
Yes, sir.
at least 4 to 5 lines. So, and we also share our ideas, so it is very important for group discussion.
Okay, sir. And thank you, sir. And last question is, सर डिबेट के क्या फ़ायदा होता है और हम इसे डेली एक्टिविटी में कैसे इसे ऐड कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, debate is just like you do group discussion, just like a debate. There are in debate we choose 2 teams, team A and team B, and choose any topic. So one team has in the favor of the topic, and second team has in the opposite of the motion. So and they in the debate competition they all have to speak about the topic, who is favoring and who is opposing the topic, but they all try to win their team. Team A wants to win their team, team B wants to win their team.
Yes.
So in this team, like a argument. Debate is like a argument by the 2 teams, and
Yes, sir.
It's in this team, and after the debate they have to conclude what is right and what is wrong. So debate is also important. We also learn a lot of vocabularies, frames, and how to make sentences while speaking. So group discussion is debate is also very important.
ओके फाइन सर. एंड सर डेली एक्टिविटी में जैसे गेम्स होते हैं, उससे हम किस तरह और अपने इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं?
Okay. If you talk about the activity, so we can also do many activity, because if you learn any language by the activity, so you can enjoy more. You can make it enough as a fun. Suppose just like in Hindi we play Antarakshi. Okay, just like in English we can also, suppose you have to speak one word like elephant, so last word is T, so you have to speak about the word T. Just we do in Antarakshi in Hindi.
Antarakshari, yes,
or
sir.
otherwise you can also make a role play.
Yes, sir.
There are many role plays, like a person is selling vegetables, role play of vegetable vendor.
sir.
Okay, hotel receptionist. There are so many activities you can perform. You go to any restaurant, how to talk with the people.
Yes, sir.
So you can perform many activities. So you can learn many new vocabularies, and you can frame many sentences,
Okay, fine.
so that English become more natural. Okay. So in
Okay.
this way we can involve so many activities.
Our question is over. I think जो हमारे ऑडियंस है, हमारे स्टूडेंट है, उन्हें इससे बहुत सीख मिलेगा और मिला होगा, और आई एम 100% श्योर हमारे स्टूडेंट और ये ज़रूर इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे अपने स्टडी में. एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर. यहाँ आप आने के लिए आपके बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.
Thank you for inviting me.
And such a great conversation, and thank you so much sir, and